Hello there. Your data is in motion across systems, apps, clouds, and with it, your risk. If you don't know where it's coming from or where it's going, you can't protect it. Most organizations operate without data lineage, blind to transformations, unaware of ownership, exposed to regulatory fines and operational chaos. That's where Mage Data comes in. Our data lineage solution, built right into the Mage Data catalog, gives you complete, real-time visibility into every data movement across your ecosystem. When we access Mage Data UI, we can see where every data element originates, how it's transformed, and where it's used, all in a single interactive view. From raw ingestion to final consumption. For example, in this employees table, it's transformed by 2 Kafka pipelines and lands in the finance CRM. Fully traceable, fully accountable. Why data lineage matters? With automated discovery, classification, and tagging, Mage Data flags compliance issues before they become a problem. Audit-ready reports for GDPR, HIPAA, DPDP, all just a click away. Mage Data does more than just visualize. It enriches your data with intelligent tagging. Mage Data flags sensitive elements, data owners, lineage gaps, and governance violations in real time. Mage Data transforms your sensitive data into a fully traceable asset. From data architects to compliance officers, Mage Data empowers every stakeholder with the lineage clarity they've always needed, but never had. Mage Data pinpoints upstream causes and downstream effects, so users can act with confidence. Whether you're solving a breach, fulfilling a privacy request, or fixing a broken pipeline, Mage Data Lineage gives you the clarity to act fast. Mage Data Lineage, built into the catalog, designed for trust, delivered with intelligence. This is the future of secure, governed data. This is Mage Data Lineage. Contact Mage Data for more information. Thank you.